you go into the new year with your whack-ass man, please believe for 365 days, that whack-ass man is going to be on your tail. Catch my drift?
Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big deal.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, it is a super late, but I've been on Clubhouse and I'm just feeling so motivated. I've been actually planning this video out for like a month, but I probably wasn't gonna do it until I got this kind of boost of motivation. I was just like, it's about to be the new year, I'm about to do everything in January, but before the new year's up, I'm gonna hit you guys with another makeup look. So today I'm going to be doing your typical gold makeup look, mostly for going out, holiday parties, things like that. A gold eye, in my opinion, is pretty classic. And just because it's COVID and we ain't going out nowhere, that doesn't mean that you do not need a beat face to bring in the new year. Remember, how you spend your new year determines the rest of your year. If you go into the new year looking toe up, please believe for 365 days you will be toe up. If you go into the new year with your house messy, please believe for 365 days your house is gonna be messy. If you go into the new year with your whack-ass man, please believe for 365 days that whack-ass man is gonna be on your tail. Catch my drift? So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into this look.
OmniBeats.com. 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 OmniBeats.com.
Alright guys, so I just switched up the hair on you. Okay, yes, this is for a video that is probably already up. I will leave the video to this hair if you're interested. I'll leave that video either in the cards or down below. This makeup look was the quickest I think I've done my makeup in a really long time with an eyeshadow look. I only used one eyeshadow because I wanted it to be very beginner friendly. Sometimes when you're doing makeup looks, you get wrapped up into blending different kinds of colors and things like that, so it could kind of discourage people. But this is literally just a gold eye. I just put one transition color into the crease just to kind of blend it out so there wasn't any harsh lines, but that's it. And I only use one gold. The gold that I used was from the Too Faced Chocolate. It was from the Too Faced Chocolate palette. So, but you can use any gold you want. You can use a highlighter if you want. Do not let blending and different shade colors discourage you from looking good, okay? A wing eye is something that you just have to practice and practice and practice. It takes time, but it doesn't have to be winged. You could just do a line just right on top of your eye, just a single line. And lashes, again, is something you have to practice. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, share with your friends, comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I am almost there. I think I'm at 964. So we almost there. All right, so as always guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.